accurate and timely detection of COVID-19 is very important to contain the disease as well as to cure the infection. And for this purpose, Science and Technology Institutes of India have developed various kinds of diagnostic kits in the recent months. In this series, researchers from the Indian Institute of Technology, Hyderabad, have developed a new testing kit for COVID-19 which is powered by artificial intelligence to detect the infection more quickly.
At IIT Hyderabad, namely two most important students, Surya and Supraja, had developed a novel corona test kit. This test kit is actually first in kind in the world, and nobody in the world had approached this way. So the most important feature of this test kit is it can be RT-PCR free.
The most accurate standard of testing at present is considered to be reverse transcription polymerase chain reaction, which is also known as RT-PCR. But the kit developed by IIT Hyderabad does not require RT-PCR and produces results in just around 20 minutes for symptomatic as well as asymptomatic patients. The kit has already been field tested at ESIC Medical College and Hospital in Hyderabad to ascertain its efficiency.
As you all know, RT-PCR is one technology which is actually a standard technology through which we are able to detect this coronavirus. But these are bulky, they require lengthy process, and hence it consumes lots of time and money. However, we have cut across all these things, and without any RT-PCR, without any lengthy process, we can actually detect it. And because of this, we are actually reduce the cost, we reduce the time, and we actually also reduce the requirement of expert manpower.
The test kit was developed under the leadership of Professor Shiv Govind Singh of the Department of Electrical Engineering at the Institute, and the team includes Dr. Suryasnata Tripathi and PhD student Patta Supraja. This innovative test kit can be transported quickly for conducting the tests at the point of care and will cost only Rs 350 per kit when produced at a mass level. After receiving the approval from ICMR for mass production of the kit, the team also plans to patent the device.